Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 19 minus 5 is equal to 14. Then again 19 minus 5 is equal to 14. Now 14 multiply 14 is equal to 196. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve this parenthesis. So is equal to 19 minus 5 multiply 19 minus 5. Now solve this parenthesis is equal to 14. Okay. So now here is subtraction and here is multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. Okay. So is equal to 19. Now 5 multiply 14. Okay. So 5 multiply 14 is equal to 70. So minus 70. Now 19 minus 70. So 19 minus 70 is equal to minus 51. Okay, so the correct answer is minus 51. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.